Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learning with Joy. Our idiom for today is to kill two birds with one stone. The idiom to kill two birds with one stone means to achieve two things at the same time with a single action. Sentence examples: Jane took a business trip to Paris. She killed two birds with one stone. She attended the conference and got to visit her family. The new software update killed two birds with one stone by improving security and increasing speed. By organizing a community cleanup event, they killed two birds with one stone. They improved the neighborhood and brought residents together.